Hi everyone, we are group 8 and this is our real world startup analysis for IntelligenceBank. So this is our roadmap. We're going to talk about the business model, competitors, the market, leap of faith hypothesis, strengths and weaknesses, the money raised, revenues and profitability, as well as our recommendation. So the business model for Intelligence Bank, the CEO is Tessa Court. It was founded in 2009 in Melbourne, Australia. They are the leading MRM and marketing operations software company. They help content marketers seamlessly manage digital assets. So they offer digital asset management, marketing operations, board portals, as well as a couple other things. They offer follow the sun support, and then they help teams reduce cost and risk. So some of the competitors we found, according to Owler, were Webdam, CNF, Widen, Binder, Brandfolder, as well as the rest of the list.
The market that IntelligenceBank is they are part of the computer software industry as well as the technology. They are one of the fastest growing industries and provide a variety of products from marketing software and other software solutions. So they have one of the leading marketing operation platforms. For the hypothesis, the leap of faith hypothesis, people will want online help with their marketing projects. They know that customers will purchase their software and it will help them achieve their goals. And also their software is to know, they have little to no, they know their software has little to no problems. They know they can provide beyond service for their customers. As you can see, they offer a 6-star service. They also know that they can manage and brand compliant obligations. So they have that leap of faith, especially with creating a creative operations software that they know that teams need to empower them to perform their very best through their creation process. IntelligenceBank also knows that managers and teams are willing to invest in a software system that can help them keep their work organized, allow them to work effectively, and give them more time to be creative in a fast-paced digital environment. IntelligenceBank also has that leap of faith that managers and teams will pay them to manage their marketing and creative projects into one system.
And as for IntelligenceBank's strengths, they work with both small as well as large companies, as small as 5 users or as big as destination hotels. They have flexible plans that work with these companies, and they can have a simple plan or a more complex plan for larger companies. They also have affordable products and 6-star service. They're really good in their service, according to some of the reviews. And they have great revenues, and as well as they're the leading market operation platform, and they serve companies such as KFC as well as Hertz. One of the weaknesses that they have is the lack of information on their financial results and standing, because we looked for their financial information and they're a private company, so we couldn't find much. And another weakness that they have is their lack of simplicity for new users. And some of their products, according to IntelligenceBank Product Spotlight on YouTube, is their digital asset management, which is $9 per user per month, which is a place to store your pictures as well as little clip videos so that you can collaborate with other people on a marketing project. And there's also a brand hubs package that's $19 per user per month. And this combines several of the products in one package. And there's also discounts that you can get if you reach 100 users. And how much they make was difficult to find, but according to zoominfo.com, they have made 11 million.
So what Vika said, their revenues from brand construction and offer a very of products for marketers. Intelligence Bank estimated annual revenue is currently 6.5 million per year, and their revenue per employee is $145,000. And they have, according to the Intelligence Bank, they have 45 employees, but when you find the information from ZoomInfo, they grew their employee count by 36% last year, and they are 55 employees in 2020. According to the Intelligence Official News, in July 2019, Intelligence Bank announced a 54% year-on-year revenue growth. They maintained cash profitability and had a strong 2019 financial year due to the news. Enterprise customers added to its exceeding portfolio. In January 2020, they announced continued rapid growth at scale with YOY December ARR growth of 49%. This included a quarterly revenue retention rate of 96%. Intelligence Bank has achieved a 130% customer retention revenue. Canada and the US 70% YOY growth with new revenue for their existing customer base, tripling their base growth to 60%. So the recommendation is think carefully before they invest. Ordinary companies lose their customers and they go bankrupt not longer after they are born. 10 years have passed since Intelligence Bank was born, but it has been continuing the company with a steady rise in profits. The most important point is that profits continue to rise even after a decade. There are many companies in the world that make a lot of money, but not many companies that grow every single year. Net profit increases every year according to the official site news. Intelligence Bank's information is mostly available on the site. The investors and the current news can be found on the site. As such, you can see that the structure of the site and the software they provide are always managed. It can also be seen on the site that large companies trust Intelligence Bank's software. However, it is hard to tell whether the information from the official site is true or not. Intelligence Bank is a private company and data on the exact earnings and the liability is extremely difficult to find. The investment process is even very difficult because its headquarters are in Australia, not the United States. So also our first saw the site, we had no idea what kind of company it was or what it was. When I saw the name, I thought it was the bank that correct the ideas. So we should think carefully before the investment. Thank you.